This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a rear-view camera, dual-zone climate control, high-intensity headlights, XM satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: 18-inch alloy wheels, memory settings for the seat's position so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, a power rear liftgate, a premium sound system, an electronic throttle, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Ed Martin Acura is Indiana's #1 volume Acura dealer for a reason: total customer satisfaction. We are Indiana's only Acura Precision Team winner. #1 in customer satisfaction. #1 in sales volume. Log on to edmartinacura.com today. The only name you need to know.